Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to see the testing interview questions asked at Publicis Sapient company. But before that, I would like to show you a playlist which we have just created, and it's on top MNC companies interview questions asked, manual testing as well as automation testing. So if you go to this playlist, it's a part of my channel itself. So you would be able to see the videos the the videos with respect to various companies like Myntra, Cognizant, Volkswagen, Accenture, Mindtree, right? So these are all the interview questions that we have covered over here. So definitely you will get a lot of help from here, and then you can actually clear the interviews as well, and you can come to know, you will get an idea of what sort of questions are being asked, what are the real-time interview questions, what are the real-time testing interview questions and answers that can be asked. Now, let us look at the testing interview questions asked at Publicis Sapient. So let me share my screen. So these are the testing interview questions that would be uh, you can expect. So what are the roles and responsibilities at your workplace? What are the programming languages and tools that you have worked on? So programming languages means if you are aware, if you are comfortable with Java, C Sharp, .NET, all those languages and tools. So testing tools like for API testing, you would have used Postman, JMeter, right? Similar kind of testing tools that you need to tell. Then what are the exceptions and how can we handle them? So what are the exceptions in Selenium? Like in the automation, you get, for example, element not found exception, tail element reference exception. So how will you overcome them? How will you handle them? Then what are the two types of exceptions, right? This would be asked. Then what happens in try and catch block? What is the significance of using try and catch block? And what is the difference between throw and throws, final and finally, right? This is a very frequently asked interview question in this company. And in other companies also, you will get this kind of question, throw, throws, final, finally. Then difference between collection and collections, list and set, right? Explain polymorphism and its types. So when you see polymorphism, so this is an OOPS concept. So similarly, you can expect a question on abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance as well. Why multiple inheritance is not supported? What is multi-level inheritance? What is hierarchical inheritance? Then write a Java program to check if the given array list of string is sorted or not. Now, if you're going for automation testing interview questions, then definitely you will get the Java programming questions, right? Let's say if you have mentioned Java as your programming language in the CV, so you will get the question on Java programming. If you have written C Sharp, .NET, so accordingly you will get the questions. But you will have to you'll have to be very much confident, and you should have a knowledge of how will you write the code and how will you explain the logic in an interview to them. So that also holds a very important in an interview, right? Then what is the syntax of implicit and explicit wait? They can also come up with a question like difference between implicit and explicit wait. Then write syntax for taking screenshot, right? Write code for reading data from Excel sheet. Write SQL query to order date column in the ascending order. So these are the questions that were asked in Publicis Sapient for the automation testing role. And one of my subscriber who got selected, so he had shared these questions with us, and congratulations to him, he got selected, and he had mentioned the Selenium with Java skills in his CV. That is why you can see the Java programming questions asked to him. So if you also appear for any interviews in any of the companies, right? Let's say if you get selected or you don't get selected, so don't get demotivated, try for another company, another organization, and do share questions with us at our email address, that is rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. So do share questions with us, it would be helpful, and we will create videos on them, and it would be helpful to the community as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.